in the office. And let me say this, quick disclaimer. Putting this together was a whole lot easier when I had the instructions. This go round, I do not have the instructions. So we're just gonna try our best to figure this out. I mean, hey, I did put it together once before. So let's see if I can put it together once again. So I know this piece connects the top. Alright? And then this piece connects the other half of the top. Right? Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video and return as a family member. Today I'm working on my home office here in the new house in Florida, giving you a little taste of that Florida retirement living. Two stationary pieces that I was trying to figure out, they go on the back of the unit. And then all of these shelves go in. I have so many projects to share with you today, starting off with these office shelves and my desk. I have to reassemble all of these pieces, and I don't know what happened to the instructions in the move. So baby, I had to wing it. But I put it together. Next up, I spray painted all my pieces with 3 coats of Rust-Oleum metallic silver spray paint. Now I'm moving on to the curtains. For these windows, I got 95-inch grommet panels from Amazon. I believe they were $6.99 each, but I'll leave them linked in my description box below. And baby, don't they look beautiful? This room has become somewhat of a messy catch-all. So today I'm gonna try to get things situated a little bit. Get ready, honey, because here comes the reveal. In the end, I decided to change the artwork in this room. This room had such a light, bright, modern feel. I wanted artwork that went along with the feeling. So I changed the artwork to this black, white, and gold artwork that I already had on hand. And I know you remember this from the old house. I did keep Mommy's Tiffany lamp and shade because it is absolutely beautiful and it brings back great memories. For the rest of the room, I used all decor I had on hand. Honey, this is a no spin. The only thing I bought was the shears. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and it gives you inspiration to take some pieces that you already have and completely flip them to give them a totally new look. Please be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and leave me a comment because you know I love hearing from you. And if you're not a member of the Amethyst Adventures family, I need to know, what are you waiting for? Honey, come on through and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And make sure you watch all the way till the end, because I'm going to show you where I'm storing all my decor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. And this is all my decor storage. Up there I have some throw blankets and chair covers, some large decor, and this is overflow from the office. Now this closet does need a lot more organizing, but at least everything is in here and it fits well. Here I have my bins of florals, and over here all candle holders, a bin full of candles here, and then napkins and napkin rings, and some large decor pieces in the corner. And there we have it.